Hey y'all, it's Maxine, your favorite wine specialist, guiding you on your journey through fine wine. And it is Monday, so you know that it is Monday Wine Q&A. So let's hop right into it. I know that you noticed a change in background. Today I am recording at the 21C Museum Hotel, located in downtown Durham. And if we've ever been here together touring the actual museum, and it's a hotel, one of our stops was in the vault, located downstairs. This hotel is a renovated bank, so they still have the vaults and the security deposits. It also has these cool couches here where you can just sit and catch up with one another. Now, with the change of location, with the holidays coming up, we are all going to be entertaining family, friends, and even having some team dinners at work. And one of the things that we're going to discuss today is navigating a wine list. Never be intimidated with this. Use this as your guide. This will expose you to the offerings that the particular venue or restaurant has. Also, when you are navigating the wine list, figure out, look at what you are familiar with, what you're not familiar with. Those that you are familiar with, try them. But if you're in the mood for a new favorite, but you're a little unsure, ask for a taste. And here's an example of a taste. A taste is just basically a sample of that particular wine that you want to explore. You can taste a new wine, you can compare two great varietals from different areas. You can even do a tasting with this when your food comes out if you're dining. I would make this a max of 3 tastings. You don't want to overdo it because you should be decisive in your wine selection. And also, this is also a great option for others who are exploring wine and you know that they may like a particular style. Get them a tasting. Never call this a sample. It is a tasting. Secondly, in regards to the wine list, it is best to check out the venue that you are going to prior to arriving. The majority of restaurants and bars, they have their wine list listed online. So this will help you to easily navigate what it is that you may be interested in trying. I think this is a really great tool for dates and also for work-related dinners. In a work-related dinner, you can definitely impress your group, pick out the wine that you feel that the group will enjoy, and you'll be the wine hero for that dinner. So I will wrap up this video. Let me know how your wine listing navigation exploration has gone. And also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Until we meet again, drink up, live well.